This is CAT S75 and today I would like to show how you can confirm the authenticity of this device. The first order of business for you is to make sure to have the smartphone itself and the packaging or the box it came in next to each other. Then launch the settings on your phone, enter the About Phone category and go for the model spec. At the model and hardware page, you can find the serial number. Then you gotta take the packaging, find the sticker that any packaging should have that has various specifications of your phone, including email numbers, EAN code, and such. And over here, simply find the spec that says SN, that's an serial number right here, and simply compare the SN you have at your packaging with the SN that is written or pointed at the device settings. And if those two correspond, or simply if both are identical, that means that you are indeed an owner of the original CAT S75. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching and bye bye.